comma index in Python list bracket. Example is below. What is this? A comma is in the Python list bracket. How can I understand this? Id xij equals id xij shows true. So, xij is always same at xij? Or, xij is actually same as xij? Index is tuple. Equals. I guess this is NumPy's special implementation. NumPy overwrites _getItem_ function for using tuple index. I tried it for 1. Basic Python, 2. Overwrite _getItem_ and 3. Basic NumPy. 1. Shows error. Type error, list indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. 2. Has, no problem if I implement it right. 3. Just works well. So, I guess NumPy developers did implemented their getItem function for tuple, and it works same rx, y, z, equals rx, y, z.
This is NumPy special ability. NumPy official docs. Unlike lists and tuples, NumPy arrays support multidimensional indexing for multidimensional arrays. That means that it is not necessary to separate each dimension's index into its own set of square brackets.
While NumPy behaves the same way with the two, they are technically different. You can see the difference by implementing _getItem_ yourself. Then, notice that x1, 2 only calls _getItem_ once, but x1, 2 calls it twice.
If you want to